Hello, thank you for joining me for a review on some gear puzzles. I bought these three like maybe about 2 months ago. I really enjoy them. They're the best moving gear puzzles I have up to date. Um, let's get started. I already did a review on this before, but I'll just talk about this a little bit later. I wanted to talk about these two tonight. I did not do a review on these. Just wanted to do a little review on these, let you know how they are and how good they are and so on. The gear ball is, oops, sorry, it's very light, like really light, and it moves really well. Like it's very smooth. Yeah, these new these newer gear puzzles are much lighter than the old ones. I have the other gear ball. These are much lighter and much faster and much smoother. Yeah, this moves really smooth. So yeah, this is actually a really good gear ball. It moves great. The colors are really nice. Definitely a little challenging. I mean, I have the old gear ball where it's got the inner pieces here, all the little inner pieces. And that one is, obviously a little harder, but this one is still, a little challenging. Just for the fact of like when you turn it, and you keep mixing it up, it gets a little challenging as far as recognizing the pieces sometimes, which is true. So yeah, I mean it's the little more challenging part too. It's got these little tips here, and that's how you turn it. Sometimes it doesn't grip as well. To be honest, it does grip, but it's like you're barely putting your fingertips on them. So, but yeah, it's a really good puzzle for sure. And it moves great. You know, I do recommend it if you do know how to solve the gear puzzle. Then you could probably solve this, most likely. But yeah, fun puzzle. Definitely, definitely, you have to know how to solve a gear cube in order to solve this. Otherwise, you'll have a lot of challenges. um, so yeah, so the next one is the gear barrel. And yeah, really, I love these color shades. It's really nice. Yeah, they look great. I really like them a lot on this. The gear barrel looks really cool. Really bright colors. Just like the gear ball, when you're turning, it's sort of a little bit awkward turning because you have to sort of turn it like this. It's a little harder to, figure out a way to really turn it with your fingers because it's such a small space. So, like when you're turning it and, doing like an algorithm and stuff, uh, it's sometimes a little more challenging when you're trying to hold it, because you're trying to line up the pieces and turn it and figure out which is which, whether it's going this way or going this way. So yeah, see, it's got these little tips and it's sort of awkward how to hold it, and then you do your algorithm and so on. But it's really good. I mean, it's a really great turning puzzle. Oop. Yeah, it turns really well, all directions. Sorry about that. My camera's just off. I don't know what the heck is going on with the adjustment. Sorry about that. but it's definitely turns really, really smooth. It's a little bit lighter than the gear ball. Let's see here. Sorry about that. So yeah, it definitely moves really smooth. I'm just doing a review on this and the gear ball, showing how it works. And you know, if you're looking for a new challenge, definitely these two. These two are a good challenge. These two are pretty much solving the same. They solve the same in a way. But like I said, with the, especially on this one, it might be a little more challenging with this, with the centers going around, because it could get a little confusing, because it's, you know, here it's sort of cut and dry because you got bigger pieces. Here the pieces are a little bit smaller going around, so sometimes it could get a little confusing, like when you're turning it this way, and then you got to turn it going this way to do the algorithm or something like that. And you know, sometimes it can be a little challenging, to be honest. These are two really good gear puzzles if you're looking for a new challenge. So I'll show you something about the gear cube. The gear cube, the nice thing about the gear cube is that, I'm sorry, one second. You got a lot more room to hold it on top or on the sides. You could get a much better grip here. Because there's so much more room. They made it a little bigger on the sides and here too. So when you're turning it, you know, it's no problem. It's easy to grip because it's much bigger. And it makes it, to me, it makes it a little easier solving. It makes it easier to turn and figure out what's what. But like with these, you know, you got these little tips here, these little tips to turn, and it's not like here where you got the big piece you could grip to turn. You just got these little tips there. So it's an actual difference. So, you know, with the gear cube, this is a really great, I mean, if you don't have this, this is really good to have. I think in a sense, to me, it seems like it's a little easier to solve than the other two. But yeah, great gear cube. This is the new one, and those two are the new ones too. So if you're looking for a new challenge, maybe you could try out the gear cubes. It's something new, definitely something different, something challenging, something exciting. They're definitely fun to solve. I mean, once you learn how to solve these, they're really fun. And I'm going to do an upcoming tutorial on these two. I think it should be, I think I should be doing it tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. Most likely I'll be doing it tomorrow, tutorial on both in separate videos. So, well, thank you for joining me on this video and review. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And it's Thursday night. I don't have work tomorrow. I have day off. So I got my Thursday night coffee, McDonald's, McCafe. I love it so much. It's my favorite. So yeah, thank you for watching. You know, these are great puzzles if you're looking for something interesting. I really enjoy solving them. It's a real pleasure. Have a great night. Thank you so much.